Shaping Imagination to Green Dream. With these thoughts, a young man in India completed his BSc Agriculture in 1992 from College of Agriculture Pune under MPKV University and MSc in Horticulture from Calcutta University in 1994. Mr. Swapan Kumar Das. He joined a renowned company as an executive floriculturist. His job profile was varieties of plants and flowers trial under polyhouse in Indian climatic conditions. Mr. S.K. Das' ambitions and forth visions inspired him to start Flowering Plant Nursery in 1996. Thus was laid foundation of Green Valley Landscape Private Limited. Under his leadership, Green Valley Landscape became a reputed name in the field of landscape gardening and plant nursery. The company is the single source for all kinds of nursery plants. Our clients experience the true touch of Mother Nature when they visit our nursery. Plants and trees at our nursery are planted and cultivated in different sections so that each plantation is supplied with required minerals and fertilizers respectively. We pay paramount attention towards the weather conditions and soil types while cultivating our plants, as each category requires different minerals and nutrients in respective amount. Our exquisite range comprises flowering plants, fruit plants, ornamental plants, palm plants, and trees. We develop high-quality landscape garden and garden maintenance services to our valued clients. Our garden maintenance services aim to protect the plants and allow them to mature and grow to their full potential and promote the scientific methods of cultivation. Green Valley offers the following services: landscape garden design, execution of landscape garden, supply of various exotic, ornamental and indoor-outdoor nursery plants, maintenance of landscape garden, landscape project management and consultancy services, landscape irrigation systems, landscape-related civil work. Green Valley, headquartered in India at Pune. The staff of company works with the thought that is, no matter the size of the garden plot, our design, plants and flowers allow to express creativity to get closer to nature. The company is backed by innovative landscape designers, horticulturists and other staff members who are well versed with all kinds of work related to landscape gardening, which refine the creativity to develop contemporary and naturally elegant landscapes. Green Valley Landscape have been awarded time to time from various organizations and has received felicitation from Mr. S.B. Mathur, Chairman of Life Insurance Corporation of India, for Best Landscaping Work Award. We received Best Nursery Award 2007 and 2010 from Pimpri Chinchwad Municipal Corporation, Pune, Best Traffic Island Award from Women Council, Pune, and many more. We have won more than 250 awards till today. To upgrade our knowledge and professional capacity, we always visit international trade fair abroad to study latest technology, research and developments globally in the field of horticulture, more precisely landscape gardening. With our professional attitude and consistent efforts, we have successfully molded and given trendy and classical look to altogether more than 200 projects. We undertake various prestigious horticultural projects and garden development work rendered by well-trained more than 300 staff, well supported with state-of-art tools and modern equipments. We have completed some of prestigious projects since 1997 and catered services all over India. Capgemini, Kirloskar Brothers, KPIT Cummins Infosystem, Phenolex, Infosys, Vistion, Tata Toyo Radiators, Tata Ficosa, Wipro, Tata Autoplast Systems Limited, LIC India, ZF India, and many more. Green Valley Landscape Private Limited received best service certificates from various clients. As on today, shaping imagination to green dream, Green Valley Landscape Private Limited.